5 little ducks went out to play over the hill and far away. Mama duck said, quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went out to roam, climbing rocks and skipping stones. Mama duck called, quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks swam in the sun, splashed around just having fun. Mama duck yelled, quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went off to hide, waddling down the riverside. Mama duck cried, quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck, all alone, searching for a way back home. Mama duck